This video, as I promised, was supposed to be about what I'm doing for training. Well, to be totally honest with you, it's the same day as the last video. I would have put this video with the last video, but the last video was more for introduction. Yeah, you know what though? We might not want to let him do that, because I guarantee a lot of dogs, especially male dogs, probably urinated there. We definitely got to wash their paws before we leave here. Yeah, we're definitely trying to keep them off the pavement. Okay, we're up here at Roman's Wildlife Refuge. This was one of my, hold it, right, yeah, it's in the shade. One of Stormy's favorite places to come and hike. Now, are we hiking today? Oh, hell no, I got a puppy. But it is in the shade. We're going to see how far Kit can go. If Kit can make it all the way back to the pond, awesome. But if Kit can't, we're not going. Because I'm going to tell you why. You may not believe it, but this little bundle of joy is heavy. Hey, you're peeing. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, I said he is heavy because you wouldn't know it. He is. He's got some weight to him. And for me to carry him, and all day yesterday, right after we got him, I carried him through in and out the stores we went into. And you guys got to remember, I'm still healing up from a back injury. Well, not a back injury, but when I threw my back. And oh my Lord, by the end of yesterday, I was feeling it. Now when we go into the stores, I am letting him walk. Now yesterday when we got home, he didn't want to walk. He didn't want to walk on this leash at all. But he's doing much better today. So in a way, I guess I kind of could say I trained him on that. But then again, I don't know if the lady that had him last trained him or not. I don't know. All right, guys. Well, come on, kid. Let's get in here because that's where the shade is, hon. Come on. Yeah, we're going to see how far Kit can go. And when he stops, he don't want to go no more, and we won't. Then we will come back about a week later and see if we can go further in. But let me show you what we're getting ready to walk through. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. Now, when I walk Kit through here, I'm not going to, if I have to pull any at all, then it's not going to work. I kind of want Kit to show me, but this is all brand new to him. You know, he's scared, he's nervous, he don't know what to do. But yet, he's still kind of going, but slow. Yeah, Kit, there's a beautiful pond at the other end. Want to go? Huh? Okay, the three things I am training with right now. Right off the bat, the first thing is potty training. And I'm happy to say...
Hold up.
Huh? Oh. She's... Oh, my Lord. Hold on, guys. I think Kit done gave out. He's done. This is all the further he's going to go. So we'll let him have a little breather. You didn't go far, Kit. You walked further than this at the park. Okay, I got Kit up and moving again, but right off the bat, potty training. We've had Kit for, I'm guessing, what time is it? It is 3:22. We've had Kit now for 24, 25, 27 hours. We've had Kit 27 hours now, and I'm happy to report he has not pottied in the house once. Let me tell you why, because my butt, just like I did with Stormy, it's been 9 years since I had a puppy, guys. And just like I did with Stormy, I am taking him out continuously. Oh, hell yeah. I'm not giving him a chance because I'm a true believer. The more your puppy or your dog uses the bathroom outside, they will create a habit for themselves and their own smell to use the bathroom outside. And very soon they will start going to the door when they have to. Now, with my other dog, Stormy, she never ever had to go to the door. As even in the adult age she was, I was still taking her out constantly. Yes. Don't know if that helped. And what I mean by I don't know if that helped, I don't know how she felt about that when she was adult, but I still did it. Now, the second thing we're working on for training is real simple. When we get into the house and I take the leash off of him, I tell him to sit. And when he sits, I do give him a treat. Sometimes it doesn't work like that. If he doesn't quite sit all the way, he still gets a treat. He's still a puppy, guys. But that's the second thing I'm working on. Well, we made it this far, Kit. We only have, I guess about 200 yards to go. Can we do it? How about it, Kit? Can we do it? You want to do it? You don't care. Just leave me alone, Dad. I'm smelling all these smells. This smells weird. The last thing I'm training him on right now, like I said, I'm only training 3 things right now. And these are the 3 big, actually, no, there's more than 3. There's 4. The next thing I'm training him on is how to meet and greet people. Kit is going everywhere with me as much as possible. If I got to go to the store down the street, Kit comes with me. If I got to go to Walmart, Kit comes with me. If I'm going here, Kit's coming with me. Very few places Kit's not going to go with me. So far, Kit's been with me every step for 36 hours. Now, there is going to be one time tomorrow I won't be able to take Kit with me, but Kit will only be in the crate at the most 15 minutes. That's it. Kit will be with me everywhere else, or somebody else will be watching Kit. And by the way, he's taken real well to the crate. Now, the last thing I'm trying to train him on is the most difficult. And I thought for sure he'd probably go poo by now, but he hasn't pooed. Don't get over near there. Okay, the last thing I'm working on right now is transport. Now, if somebody is with me, like my wife, or maybe one of my kids, that transport's not a problem. If he's just in a seat and you're petting him, oh God, he gets an A+. But I'm trying to transport him, trying to teach him, which I haven't really done it a lot today, but we have a basket. And I'm trying to put him in the basket with a cover and have him in the front seat with me while I pet him, while I'm transporting him, while I'm taking him all these places to greet meat. I tried it once with him in the front and it did not work out well. Now Angie's sitting in the back with him in the basket and she gave him a grade and it's only a C. So that I'm still working on. I'll show you what I mean. If I had a carrier, it'd be much easier. I'm using one of my old beat up laundry baskets and I'll show you when we get back to the Defiant. Okay, Kit, we almost made it to the pond. It's just up and around this corner. That's right, then we get a look at the beautiful pond. You know, I was just sitting there thinking, Ange, we might have made it this far and he's actually walked it.
He's got to go back.
He's got to go back. Well, I think Kit done gave up on me. He's like, nope, I ain't going nowhere else. You ain't going nowhere else, are you? Huh? You don't want to see the pond? Come on, you got to at least see the pond. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Come on, let's go see the pond, okay? Come on, Kit. Come on, come on. My GoPro started acting up there. I don't know what the hell it was. So the last clip, I'm going to have to do over. I am training other things too, like when he's across the room, I'm trying to get him to know his name. And when he looks up at me, I give him a treat. When he looks at me, when I holler his name and trying to get him to come to me, when I try to get him to come to me, I try to raise my voice a little bit, like in a high-pitched squeal, like, come on, kid, come on, and act like an idiot, which seems to work sometimes. All right, guys, here's the pond. This is what I want to see. Half of it's filled with the moss, and the other half isn't. The beautiful pond, guys.
Are we going to take you home and feed you?
Yeah, we're going to take him home and feed him. I'm sure he's going to be hungry after this adventure. And Kit, I am proud of you. Your first hiking adventure. Even though it was just to the pond, but still, you're a puppy and you still made it. And of course, I didn't force you. All right, let's head back to the Defiant. No, I didn't force Kit to come. Oh, hold on. Got to untangle his leg. He's got a leaf in his mouth. I didn't even see you get that in your mouth. Oh, see if he actually goes back faster. I didn't force him to come. We just walked his speed. He'll stop a little bit. I let him rest, and I kind of like give him a teeny bit of a nudge like that. And sometimes like, come on, kid, come on, come on. And he actually made it all the way to the pond. Although it's not a long hike back here, not by any means, but he still made it. It's been 9 years since I had to train a puppy. Stormy was the last puppy I trained, and the only thing that I didn't forget was the potty training. I am dead set on that. And I think the best way to potty train your dog is get that dog out as many times as you can in the first couple weeks. I had Stormy potty trained in 2 weeks, y'all. Now, will Kit be potty trained in 2 weeks? It's very hard to say. Every puppy has their own time period. And as time goes on, I will be training him more and more. I will eventually be training him to walk beside me. Right now, when we're out in the yard and he's using a potty, I am keeping him on my left side. That's the side I will be walking him on my everyday walking when he gets older. But for now, if we're out here, I'm gonna let him adventure a little bit. He's still a puppy. So eventually I will get into that, and I will get in more into sitting and heeling and all these things. But the main things I want to train him on right now is meet and greet, sit, be able to ride in my car. It was just him and I. And what was the other one? Do you remember?
His name?
His name. Hell, I gotta teach myself first his name. Yeah, I still keep wanting to call him Tig.
You.
Oh, me? Oh, you're getting ate up with bug bites, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Let's get you out of here. And sometimes it helps if me or Angie walks ahead of the other one, because then Tig, see how I goofed up? Oh my God. Then Kit wants to kind of catch up to the person ahead, and it gets him to walk a little bit faster and further. And that's what I'm doing with Angie right now, although I think Kit might have stopped. All right, guys, we're going to take it to the Defiant, and I'm going to show you the basket, and we'll close it out. This is a short video, but we're going to probably have quite a few of these, but you won't have to wait 2 and 3 days to see them. They will be up every other day. And the reason I'm not putting them up every single day, because I think that hurts my channel a little bit. Yes. If you really want to see a video, the progress of Kit on a day-to-day, let me know down there. Because right now, I think it hurts the YouTube channel, and it doesn't really do so well. And yes, I'm going to be honest, I want my videos to start doing well. Damn straight I do. Yes, I do. All right, we're going to probably have to carry him. Or is he moving?
He's moving.
All right, let's get some more Kit. All this stuff out here, Mom. He's like, wow, it's an adventure. Well, Kit, you're going to be going on a lot of these when you get older. And you're even going on some when you're young like now. What's the matter, buddy? Come here. Oh, come here, honey. That's right. Daddy loves you. He does. Yes, I do love you. You're such a good puppy. Oh, you can't tangle me up, honey. Yeah, one of the other things I need to break in the future is the puppy biting. Come on, Kit. Yeah. Right now, it's not bothering me unless he really bites down hard. But the puppy biting. Now, yesterday, bringing him home, like I said in the last video, he started barking, growling at me, and started biting real hard. I still don't know what happened. I'm thinking with everything, yeah, he's going to, yeah, go over that. There's a tree limb down there. I'm thinking with everything going on, him being nervous and new surroundings with new people, he just kind of flipped his wig a little bit. But as far as the puppy biting goes, I'm not worried about that yet.
Come on.
I will worry about that in about another week or so. But right now, the main things I want to teach him is the ones I said. All right, now we're almost at the Defiant.
Okay.
And I will show you the basket I'm keeping them in, and we'll close it out from there. I was going to wipe off Kit's paws. I don't know, you think we need to wipe his paws off? Well, yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, because this trail, lots of people take their dogs on this trail. As a matter of fact, when we got here, there's a gentleman taking his dog, a bigger dog, on the trail over yonder. Yeah, Kit, when you get older, you'll be hitting all these trails with Mom and I.
Come on.
Yep, every single one of them.
No.
All right, we'll see you guys at the Defiant. The next couple videos will probably be me doing the home training at home and stuff. Won't have my little helper here for transport, although unless I'm able to transport him without help, I'm doing my best. But they'd be home videos from home of training and stuff and what I'm doing. Yeah, I made a mistake. Almost went on the hot part of that. You know what? Let's walk around the long way, because that way we don't have to cross the hot pavement there.
Yeah.
It looks like somehow it busted up picnic table.
Yeah.
I wonder if that was done deliberately. Huh, you guys want to see? More than likely not,
You need
but
a drink of water, don't you?
yeah. Well, right over there. Oh, shucks. You see what I just did? We still got to go through. There's a fence.
I can go on.
All right, we're headed up to the Defiant, guys. I think I've had too much sun because now I'm starting to call Kit Defiant like I call my car. And yeah. All right, let's get this open. Guys, I'll be back to close it out. Huh?
I'm gonna put off the.
You got him?
there.
Okay. Okay, we just got done wiping off Kit's paws. In case you wonder why we wipe off his paws, like I said in the last video, he's not 100% fully vaccinated yet. So if you're ever in a place that has other dogs, you want to make sure them paws are clean until your dog is fully vaccinated. He's almost. We still got one more shot to give him, and then the next one would be getting him fixed. I think that's neutered, right? Yeah, neutered. So until otherwise, I like to keep my little puppy healthy. So yes, I got baby wipes to wipe off his paws, and I will do it. Don't have to do that at home, and you don't really have to do that if you're in places that doesn't have a lot of you know, dogs, you know, there. You'll be fine. But a place like this, it gets a lot of dogs, and the city park does too. All right, guys, I'm gonna close it out. Kit is very hot, my wife is very hot, and I'm very hot. We're gonna go home so he could get some yum yums, and then after he has his supper, we'll have ours. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. And I'll probably have a video and within about a day or so. That's right. Now I will show you everything I'm doing with Kit, and then eventually I will start talking about other things instead of my dog. But I don't know, it might be a while. That's right. Because isn't he cute? He is cute. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here.